Qs.sg, we make technology accessible. It's been a long time since we released a video, but this is one that has been requested by a few of our users. We will be showing you how best to add referrals in your DApp. By the way, check out our main series at the end of this video if you have not. The layout may be slightly different as we have made some improvements to the DApp builder. I am starting here on an empty template. You can see that I have loaded two contracts here already. One is the coin contract and the other is the staking contract, where I had set referral levels to reward for referrals. If you do not know how to load contracts, please refer to the first video in our main series, or even the previous video in the questions series. For easier testing, let's add a navigation bar. Go to Add Item and choose the navbar option. We have some options for you to choose from. Let's choose this one where it is just a logo and a Connect Wallet button, so that we have a way for users to connect their wallet. Next, click on the empty panel. We will be adding a container for referrals. Go to Containers and choose an option that best suits you. I will choose this one. Change the referral levels depending on your contract. I will leave it as it is. Let's focus on the referred by section. You can see that there are two rows. We would like to set it such that if the user has not set a referring address, we will show the first row, where they can input the referring address. Otherwise, we will show the referring address if they have added it previously. Now let's go about implementing this. Click on the first row and go to General Styles. Go to the Hide This Element style and click the formula. Edit the error by replacing the address with the referring address record function in your contract. To understand this function, it is saying that if we access the function and input the current user's address and the output is the 0, or also known as null address of the smart chain, then it means that no address was previously added. Hence, we put false so that this element will not be hidden. If the output is a non-null address, then we hide the element, as we do not want users to add any more referring addresses. Once done, click Update Formula. Now, go to the second row, and repeat the same process to correct the errors. You can see the logic is swapped as we want to hide the element if a null address is the output. Moving on, you can see that there is another error to correct in button on the first row. Click on the button. You can see a red outline around the onClick function. This indicates that the error is there. Click on it. What we want to do for this button is to check if the wallet is connected. If it is not, then connect wallet. If it is, then we would like the referring address from the input box to be added in the blockchain. Add the Add Referral Address function from your contract. Next, click on the referring address formula. In the formula screen, you can see that there is an invalid item error here. Replace this with the input value, which is the input box value. Click on Update Formula and the error will be resolved. Now, we will move on to the referral link. This process is a bit more complicated, as it involves launching the website first, then coming back to edit it. You cannot launch with placeholders, so let us first remove it. Click on the Copy button. Go to the onClick style. Every time a user clicks on the button, we want them to be able to copy the referral link to their clipboard for them to paste on their address bar, which is why the function here is Copy Text to Clipboard. Click on the formula for text, so that the formula screen will pop up. Let us first copy the first text to concatenate from the placeholder part to the text part. And click Submit. I will explain this formula part later when I edit it again after launching the site. Click on Launch. Out of the options, click Launch DApp on Qs.sg. Choose a plan that best suits your needs. I will just choose the 90 days plan. Then, you can get your URL here. To make things easy, I am going to change my URL. I think I will call my page Refer. Then, click on Exit Launch Mode. In order for users to go to your website with the referral link, we are going to add the URL that we just got. Click on the copy button and edit the on-click formula. Now, replace the change this part with refers, that is your URL. The word user was added to make it easier to understand what it is for, but you can edit that part to any word you like. The second part of the text to concatenate is the address of the current user that is giving out the referral link, as they want other people to know their address. Click submit when done. Next, go to the rich text that is next to the copy button. Edit the rich text by clicking on the formula line. In the formula screen, repeat the same steps as the copy button to display the referral link, as we want the rich text to display the referral link. You can see that the first variable in the concatenate text function is missing. Paste the URL link of your website. When finished, click Update Formula. Go back to the launch mode by clicking on the Launch button. Go again to Launched App on Qs.sg. Click on the Update button so that the website will reflect the changes you have just made. Then, click on the URL to see your website. To test, connect your wallet. You can see that the referral link had changed upon connecting to add the user's address. Click on the copy button to copy the URL, and paste to your address bar. You can see it will go to the website. You can then tell potential users with the referral link to copy the back part of the URL into the input box, and click confirm to add the referring address. Done. What if I want the referred address to be auto-filled when they click on the referral link? Look at this formula screen for the referral link. You will have to ensure that the substring preceding the referred user's address is / plus question mark plus keyword of interest plus equals. You can see this part here highlighted in blue, where I chose referred to be my keyword of interest. It can also be anything else like the character U. This will help us to locate the user address to pre-fill when your website is loaded. Then, go back and click the input box where the value is to be pre-filled. Under General Styles, click on Use Formula instead for default value. In the formula screen, click on House Functions and find URL Parameter. Under Parameter, key in the keyword of interest. In my case, it was the word referred. When you have finished, click Submit. Then, click Update Formula. If you want to see how it will work without launching, click on Launch, then go to Previewed App. At the top right-hand corner, you can see an icon for URL parameters. Click on it. Next, click on Add URL Parameter. The parameter will be the keyword that you put, which is referred, in my case. Then, you enter the value. The value will be the user address that you want to be pre-filled. I will just type 123 to represent that. Press Enter in your keyboard when done. Then click on the URL parameters icon to go back. You will see 123 there, which indicates that it is working. If you are satisfied, exit preview mode, then click Launch and go to Launched App on Qs.sg to update the website to reflect the change. Check out our guide for more detailed notes to aid you in building your DApp. If you have any questions that you cannot find being answered, find us on our Telegram at QSSG. This is the end of our video. Check out our main series here. Goodbye.